Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS and today we are going to discuss bookwork of chapter number 17, Seasons Are Special. Before discussing the bookwork, let's summarize the chapter what we studied in the previous part of the video. In this chapter, we studied about different seasons like spring, summer, monsoon, autumn and winter season. In spring season, February and March are the spring months. It is pleasant season, it is neither hot nor cold. Summer season, April, May and June are the hottest months of the year. These are summer months. In this season, we wear cotton clothes that keep us cool. In this season, we feel very thirsty, so we drink lots of water, we love to drink cold drink, juices, lemonade and we eat ice creams also in this season to keep ourselves cool. We love to eat mangoes also. Next is monsoon. It is also called rainy season. In this season, there is heavy rainfall. It is wet during this season and to protect ourselves from getting wet, we use umbrellas, we wear raincoats and gum boots to protect ourselves and we eat pakoras also in this season. Next is autumn season. Children, it is also pleasant season because it is also neither hot nor cold. In this season, the leaves of the trees dry up, leaves become red or yellow. Next is winter season. It is the coldest season of the year. November, December and January are the coldest months. In this season, we drink hot soups, tea and coffee. We use blankets and quilts to keep ourselves warm. We wear jackets and woolen clothes in this season. So, that was all about the chapter. Now, let's do bookwork. Take out page number 9696. Question A, match the following. Children, here we have to match the following. Changes in the atmosphere, same weather for a long time, drink cold drinks and nights are long. On the opposite side, summer, winter, season and weather. Now, first changes in the atmosphere. Now, changes in the atmosphere is called weather because weather does not remain same. So, changes in the atmosphere is called weather. So, we will mark number 1 in front of weather. Number 2, same weather for a long time. Children, when weather remains same for a long time or for few months, then what is it called? It is called season. So, we will mark number 2 in front of season. Drink cold drinks. Now, children, in which season we love to drink cold drinks? We love to drink juices in the summer season. So, we will mark number 3 in front of summer. 4th, nights are long. Children, in which season nights are long and days are short? In winter season because the rays of the sun does not fall direct on the earth. That's why nights are long in this season. So, we will mark number 4 in front of winter. Next, B. Rewrite the following sentences correctly. Now, children, sentences are given over here and we have to rewrite them correctly. First, February and March are winter months. Children, February and March are winter months? No, February and March are spring months. So, we will write February and March are spring months. Instead of winter, what we have written over here? We have written spring. Number 2, autumn season follows summer. Now, children, autumn season follows summer? No, monsoon season follows summer because summer is followed by monsoon. So, monsoon season follows summer. Number 3, summer is a pleasant season. Children, is summer pleasant season? Do we love summer season? No. Spring and autumn are pleasant season because in this season it is neither hot nor cold. So, the correct statement is spring and autumn are pleasant seasons. Now children, let's see how to write these sentences correctly. Number 1, February and March are winter months. No, February and March are spring months. February, February and March, March, March are spring months. Spring, spring, months, months. Children, F of February and M of March will be capital because these are the name of the months. Number 2, autumn season follows summers. Autumn season follows summer? No. Monsoon season follows summers. MONSOON, monsoon, SEASON, season, FOLLOWS, follows, summer, SUMMER. Okay children. Number 3. Summer is a pleasant season. Is summer a pleasant season? No. Spring and SPRING, spring and AUTUM and autumn are pleasant, PLEASANT, pleasant seasons, SEASONS. Now children, let's move further. Question C. Answer the following questions. Children, question number 1, 2 and 5 we have done in notebook. We will do question 3 and 4. Third is, which season is called Basant in India? Children, which season is called Basant in India? Season is, name of the season is spring. Spring is called Basant in India. SPRING, spring. S will be capital. Number 4, we use raincoats during this season, name it. Now children, in which season we use raincoat? In monsoon. So the correct answer is monsoon. M will be capital. MONSOON, monsoon. Now children, let's switch to next question. There are 6 things in this picture. Children, you can see this picture. There are 6 things in this picture. Write the first letter of each item and solve the 6 letter jumble to get a new word. Now children, 6 pictures are there and we have to write the first letter of each picture and then we will get a new word. Let's solve it. This is rain. So first we will write R. This is umbrella. So first letter of umbrella is U. We will write U over here. This next is envelope. So first letter of envelope is E. We will write E over here. These are eggs. You can see children. So again we will write E over here. Next is scarf. So we will write S in this block. Next, this is a pen. So first letter is P. We will write P over here. And the new word which we made from these letters, rupees. RUPEES. So we will write here rupees in cursive handwriting. RUPEES, rupees. Now children, I hope you have understood this book work. Now we will switch to notebook work. Chapter 17, seasons are special. Answer the following questions. First, what is atmosphere? Now children, in this question we have to answer what is atmosphere. Planet Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Our planet Earth is surrounded by a layer of air, means layer of many gases, and that is called atmosphere. Question 2. Name the 4 main seasons. Here in this question we have to name 4 main seasons. Let's see the answer. First is summer, winter, spring and autumn. The four main seasons are summer, winter, spring and autumn. Next question, how do people keep warm in the winter? Children, how do people keep themselves warm in the winter? People keep warm in the winter by first wearing woolen and fur clothes. People wear woolen clothes and fur clothes. Using quilts, fire and room heaters. Now how people keep themselves warm in the winter? First by wearing woolen and fur clothes and by using quilts, fire and room heaters. That was all about book work and notebook work. I hope you have understood it well and you will do both the work in a beautiful handwriting. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.